Hello friends, today is 23rd of September 2019 and here I present you the analysis for whole of the week exclusively by GTC Markets. Okay, what we will be doing right now is studying the COT report, the net positions of the COT report, and see what options do we have. I'll start with the report, what's written, what's mentioned over there. The positions for now are Euro is in buy. Guys, this is a typing mistake over here. Euro is not in buy, Euro is in sell. Okay, the net positions are in sell. Please keep this in mind. Okay, the pound is buy, yen is sell, Swissy is sell, AUD is buy, New Zealand is sell, and Canadian is buy. Okay, so what does the word net buying and net sell means? Net buy means that there are more buyers than sellers, and net sellers means there are more sellers than buyers. Okay, so if you have to take a screenshot of this picture, you can take it. Keep this in mind. I repeat again that this euro is not buy, it is in net selling. I think while making this presentation I may have done some mistake, but keep in mind euro is a seller. Okay, so again, what do we have? Net positions for this week, or you can say the prospective week right now, what we can expect, and the current positions of the previous week were this one. Euro was in a selling, yen was in a buying, yen was in a selling, pound was in a buying, Swissy was in sell, AUD was in buy, New Zealand was in sell, and Canadian was in buy. Okay, so what do we have next? In the next option, what do we have now? Let's see. I think I have to go to the next slide. Is like this one. Yeah. Okay, now see, what is this? I have synchronized the pairs into the list, and now I can show you what pairs do we have. Keep in mind, I have not synchronized the pairs that are like in correlation with each other, and are, by correlation I mean equally in strength and equally in weakness. All I have done is I have synchronized the pairs into a stronger versus a weaker one. So now you can see euro pound is in a selling position. Why it's in a selling position? Because pound is way lot stronger than euro. Okay, and on the other hand, Australian dollar is way lot stronger than the euro, and the same is CAD, Canadian dollar, is way lot stronger than euro. Euro is in a weaker zone. Okay, keep this in mind. And then if we move towards the yen and New Zealand and Swissy, then we see yen, New Zealand, Swissy, all three of them are in a weaker zone, and perfectly like if we are having a relation with yen with pound, then we can see an uptrend coming forward. Okay, now you come toward AUD JPY and CAD JPY. You know JPY is weaker, so AUD and CAD will obviously go towards the upside. Now we have AUD Swissy and CAD Swissy. Swissy and JPY both are safe haven, but right now they are weaker. According to the COT report, the net volume is towards the selling side. Okay, so what we can do now, AUD Swissy and AUD CAD, if you have a buying position, it is more like, you know, a pleasing. And at the last we have AUD New Zealand dollar and New Zealand CAD. Okay, so what happens now is, guys, that AUD Australian dollar is stronger than the New Zealand, and New Zealand is weaker than the CAD. So we have this direction in our side. Okay, so what is the reason for explaining you all of this according to COT report for the prospective week? The reason is that I want you guys to plan your trades either on a smaller time frame or on a bigger time frame, but please plan it in this direction, because you are like having a 70% hit, because you know that the COT or the commitment of traders are in this direction. So why go against the direction? This is what I'm wanting to show you guys. Okay, every week on the Monday I'll be giving this report by GTC Markets. It's totally free of cost for you. If you want to learn our services, if you want to gain our education, you want our indicators and everything, all you need to do is just let us know, and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Okay, this much for now, and in a couple of minutes, like by 12 in the afternoon, at the start of the England session, I'll be having some trade setup with you guys, like dollar CAD, euro, Australian dollar, Swissy yen, CAD Swissy and Euro Yen. Okay, there are some trade setups I have traced over here and I really want you guys to do. And keep in mind, my setups are price action and VSA based, and these 5 pairs that I have mentioned are in confluence with price action and VSA as well. Okay, so let me make that and I'll upload it right now. This is for now. I hope you have enjoyed it. Do love and like and subscribe our Facebook and YouTube page. Thank you. Have a good day.